Hello everyone, welcome to Saze Maths. Today we are solving 3 squared plus 3 in parentheses divide by 3 plus 3. So looking at this question, it is easy for students to think that the sum of this and the sum of this should be divided. That is 3 squared, which is 3 times 3, and that is 9. Alright, so we get 9 here plus this 3 divide by 3 plus 3, 9 plus 3, which is 12, divide by this one when we add this one, which is 6. Now 12 divided by 6 will give us 2. Easy, right? But this answer is wrong, because according to order of operation, which is PEMDAS, division has higher priority. So this division should have been done before the addition. To solve this question correctly, we have to follow the order of operation called PEMDAS. Using this PEMDAS, P here stands for parentheses, which means bracket. We will solve everything in the bracket first. So let's do that right away. 3 squared will give us 3 times 3, which is 9, plus 3. Divide by 3 plus 3. 9 plus 3 will give us 12. Divide by 3 plus 3. The next one here is E, which stands for exponent, something like 2 squared, and it's not here. The next one here is multiplication and division. You work from left to right. We have division here, so let's work the division. 12 divided by 3 will give us 4 plus 3. Finally, we have addition and subtraction. We work from left to right. So 4 plus 3 will give us 7. This is the final answer. Kindly subscribe to this channel.